Bingo Cash and Rewarded Play both provide support, but they handle completely different types of problems. Bingo Cash has dedicated support for cash tournaments, withdrawals, verification, and gameplay issues, while Rewarded Play focuses on points, game tracking, rewards, and gift card redemption. By the end, you'll know which app gives you the clearest support process and what information you should have ready before contacting either one. Start with Bingo Cash. Bingo Cash is part of Papaya Gaming, so its support system is built around real money tournaments and cash withdrawals. Papaya's support center includes specific articles for cash tournament eligibility, deposits, withdrawals, identity verification, missing rewards, and gameplay problems. That matters when you're dealing with money because you don't have to explain the entire app before finding the relevant support category. For example, Papaya's withdrawal instructions explain how to request a withdrawal and state that a processing fee can be deducted. The same support system explains what happens if your withdrawal is pending or unsuccessful. Bingo Cash also has identity verification requirements for cash withdrawals. If verification is requested, you may need to provide a government-issued photo ID and other information before receiving your funds. Now compare Rewarded Play. Rewarded Play uses a points-based system, so its support problems are different. The most common issues involve games not tracking correctly, missing points, offer requirements, account problems, and gift card redemptions. Rewarded Play's official support system provides help for troubleshooting games and tracking issues. The app also directs users towards support when points or rewards aren't appearing correctly. That can be especially useful because Rewarded Play earnings depend on game activity being tracked properly. The difference comes down to what you're trying to fix. If your problem involves UA cash tournaments, deposits, withdrawals, or identity verification, Bingo Cash has the more specialized support structure. If your problem involves game tracking, points, or gift card rewards, Rewarded Play has support designed around those issues. There's also an important difference in what evidence you should provide. For Bingo Cash, save your tournament details, transaction information, withdrawal information, and screenshots before contacting support. For Rewarded Play, save the game's name, the specific offer you completed, your progress, screenshots, and the date the tracking problem happened. Those details can make it easier for support to identify the problem. So which has better support? Bingo Cash wins for cash-related issues, because its support documentation is built around real money gaming and withdrawals. Rewarded Play is better suited to reward tracking issues because its system focuses on games, points, and gift cards. Neither app guarantees an instant response or resolution, so don't assume a support ticket means your issue will be fixed immediately. Before contacting support, collect your account details and screenshots first. Then use the official help system instead of relying on third-party instructions. The simple verdict is a Bingo Cash for cash and withdrawal support, Rewarded Play for points, and reward support. Like the video and subscribe for more real money app comparisons.